Hi, consider another example for application of simultaneous equation. The question is, Rani travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. The question is, find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Okay. Rani travels 300 kilometers. That means our total distance 300 kilometer. Then she takes 4 hours for 60 km by train and remaining by bus. Now we take the variables as our question is the speed of train. We have to find out the speed of train and speed of bus. That means speed of train taken as u and speed, so its unit is kilometer per hour. Similarly, speed of bus is taken as v, kilometer per hour. And we know time taken to cover a distance, time is distance by speed. Okay. Well, now move to our given equation. If she travels 60 km by train, that is 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. Total distance is 300, so the remaining is 240 by v. Then she take 4 hours. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, that is 100, total is 300 to 200 by bus, she takes 4 minutes longer. That means she takes 4 hours 10 minutes. 4 hours 10 minutes, 4 hours means 240 minutes plus 10, 250 minutes. 250 minutes by, if it convert into hours, 250 by 60 is equal to 25 by 6. Now these two equations are 60 upon u plus 240 upon v is equal to 4. And 100 upon u plus 200 upon v is equal to 25 by 6. Now if we get two equations in this form, we know how we can reducible into linear form and solve. Just follow only that steps. For that, what we can do first, we put the substitutions. 1 by u is equal to x and 1 by v is equal to y. Then the equations become 60 x plus 240 y equal to 4, 100 x plus 200 y equal to 25 by 6. If we cross multiply this 6, this we can label as equation number 1. This we can label as equation number 2. Then equation number 2 becomes 600x plus 1200y is equal to 25. Equation number 3. Now we get two equations, equation 1 and 3 in linear form. Then how we can solve? 60x plus 240y equal to 4. 600x plus 1200y equal to 25. Then how we can solve this? If we multiply equation 1 by 10, 1 by 10, equation 1 becomes 600x plus 2400y equal to 40. Equation number 4. Now, equation 4 minus equation 3. 4 minus 3. 600x minus 600 cancelled. 2400y minus 1200 is 1200. Y is equal to 40 minus 25. 15. From this, we get the value of y. Y is equal to 15 upon 1200 equal to 1 by 80. We get the value of y equal to 1 by 80. That means from we get the value of y, and if we substitute this in any of these two equations, we get the value of x also. That implies we get the value of x as 1 by 60. X is equal to 1 by 60 and y is equal to 1 by 80. And our substitution is 1 by u is equal to x. That implies x is 1 by 60. 1 by 60. That implies 1 by 60. That implies u equal to 60. And our second substitution is 1 by v is equal to y equal to 1 by 80. That implies v equal to 80. Check our first assumption. Speed of train is u km/h. The value of u is 60. That means the speed of train is 60 km/h and the speed of bus is 80 km/h. Just from the given question, we form a equation and then make suitable substitutions, and we get two equations in linear form, and in any of method we can solve the linear equation and finally we get the solution. And here u equal to 60 km/h and v equal to 80 km/h. Thank you.